Good day, this is Mike Olden with Lee Smith. You can reach me at 423-618-3323 or shoot me an email at molden@lee-smith.com. I want to take you a walk around the gas engine Isuzu, featuring a heavy-duty open lawn care body with trimmer rack and ramp. This body is built and designed in order to hold the additional payload you need to transport your products. The additional cross members and I-beam channel across the back incorporated with the double spring split rear ramp allows you to take a heavier load up. The 6 D-rings on the back of the bed, they allow you to go ahead and fasten down that heavy product too. Not only that, you get to use it as an open lawn care body for your lawnmowers, trimmers, weed eaters, weed eater rack, shovel rack on the opposite side. This full side down over here, well, it folds down so you can have good access to be in the back of your body. An undermount toolbox finishes the job. So what does the Isuzu bring to you? Well, in the gas motor you get 3-man occupancy, tilt and telescopic steering column. You have the 2-man bench seat with the workstation in between. Take a look on that interior. Tilt and telescopic wheel, steering column, bench seat for 2, storage above, storage on the dash, the air conditioning system, CD radio with Bluetooth, the microphone down below. The benefit of the Isuzu is ergonomics, maneuverability, speed, agility, powerful powertrain. This is what drives the business. This is what makes you money. Again, my name is Mike Olden. You can reach me at 423-618-3323. I look forward to working with you on your next truck. I want your business. Thank you.